Hi, welcome back in our English class. And today we are going to learn about Thesaurus and how to use it in our English class. And so, what is Thesaurus? Is it some kind of dinosaur's name? Yeah, of course not. Thesaurus used to find words with similar meaning. Words with similar meanings usually known as synonym. Okay, so pretend that we have written this sentence. We rode a fast bus to the museum. I highlight the word fast because I want to change it. Yeah, this word is not the word that I want to use. But my question is there any exact word that would tell about the speed of the bus? Okay, first of all, we will look at the word fast in the Thesaurus. Well, I am aware that the Thesaurus book is not in yours now, but I will show you the view from the Thesaurus here. So if we are looking for this word, fast, it will show you the part of speech of this word. So the part of speech of the word fast is adjective. And also it will tell you the meaning of it. So the meaning of fast is acting or moving quickly. And it will show you the use of the word in a sentence. Here is, Kate is a fast runner. And also at the right side, it will show you the other words that has the same meaning or the synonym. They are quick, rapid, speedy, and swift. So if I want to change the word fast from our previous sentence, this sentence, so I will put each word into the sentence like this. We rode a quick bus to museum. We rode a rapid bus to museum. We rode a speedy bus to museum. And the last, we rode a swift bus to museum. So from these sentences, we can choose which sentence that is better, that's showing the speed of the bus. But maybe some other sentence is not suitable or really show that speed. Okay, let's see our exercise. Pay attention for this instruction. Look up the thesaurus for each green word. Circle the word that could take its place. So you need to replace later on the green word from each sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. So you would just change with the synonym that really show the previous meaning. Okay. For example, like number 1, the museum is big. Look at the word big. It has green color, so that word needs to be replaced with a word from the chosen words at the right side. What word can replace big? Is it small? Is it important? Or is it gigantic? Number 2, the kind guide shows us around. So what word can replace kind? Is it tall? Is it helpful? Or is it angry? Number 3, we look at the jewels for a long time. What word can replace the word look? Is it gaze? Is it grab? Or is it pause? Number 4, we walk through street town park. So, what word can replace walk? Is it run, stroll, or drive? Now, go ahead, pause this video and do this activity by choosing the words from the right side. Okay, I assume that you have done choosing, so I will show you my answers. Number 1, the museum is big. My answer will be gigantic. Of course, it is not small, and importance also not showing the size of the museum. Okay. Number 2, the kind guide shows us around. Tall is not the character that shows kind, but helpful it is. Number 3, we look at the jewels for a long time. The word that has meaning looking at something for a long time is gaze, not grab or pause. And then the last, we walk. Actually, in the park, we can run. Maybe we can drive. But the word that really shows walk through by relax is stroll. Okay. Next, number 5 until number 8. The tall trees are pretty. And then number 6, the water under the bridge is calm. You need to change calm. The previous, you need to change pretty. Number 7, we pick a spot to eat lunch. What word can replace pick? And then number 8, we put a blanket on the grass. What word can be used to replace put? Now, once again, you may pause this video and choose the exact word to replace the green word. Okay, once again, I assume that you have done choosing. So, I will show my answer. Number 5, the tall trees are pretty. Of course, this is so obvious. Lovely. The water under the bridge is calm. Calm is not upset and also not blue. It is peaceful. We pick a spot to eat lunch. We pick. Pick here is choosing, not touching. And then number 8, we put a blanket on the grass. On the grass is not throwing. It's not hanging also, but laying down. Okay. Did you have the same answer with me? I hope so. If not, you may just give comment to me. Okay, the next exercise. Replace each red word with different word from the Thesaurus, almost the same. Yeah? Be careful not to change the meaning of the sentence. Number 1, Dad looked happy as he sat against a tree. Number 2, now we will go home. So I think you may make a list about any other words that has the same meaning with happy, and also any other words that has the same meaning with go. Go ahead, pause this video. Now I will show you the words from the Thesaurus that has the same meaning with happy. They have content, glad, joyful, and satisfied. So from those words, which one that you think can replace the word happy in the sentence? Okay, I think this is just my opinion. I will change the word happy with glad, right? Maybe I can put satisfied too. Now, let's go to second number. These are the words from the Thesaurus. Move, proceed, race, run, travel. So what do you think? What word can replace the word go in this sentence? For me, I will choose travel. But maybe in a story about some students going home together, they might race home or run home. Okay, it depends on the story itself. Okay, let's move to the last exercise. By the way, you will do it personally. Okay, study these words by making sentence for each word. I have given you a color to show a different synonym. So for example, look at the yellow color here. By the way, they have almost the same meaning. Okay, little, tiny, small, and miniature. But when you put that in a sentence, it might be different. Okay, for example, I have a small flower. It will be different with I have a miniature flower, right? Okay. Another example, let's see the brown color here. It's about job, but it has different words to show. You have duty, chore, work. Maybe you are familiar with chore, right? Chore is a job for family members to take care of the house. For example, mopping the floor, washing the dishes, and etc. It will be a little bit different in a sentence when you put that as what, country chore? Is that any country chore? No, I think you can put that into duty. So if we talk about a police officer, the police officer also has a duty, not a chore, right? But they are the same job, the meaning of job. Okay, so now just make a sentence for each word. Okay, even though this activity is not being submitted in the Google Classroom, I hope that you are really doing it because it will help you to understand the synonym for each words, even though they are the same, but they still have difference. Okay, I think that's all from me. I hope you can learn very well at home. Maybe you can give comments in the Google Classroom. Just tell me how do you feel when you're doing it, or if you have any problem with it. Okay, goodbye. See you.